Hello, I'm Haley Bainline. Today we're going to be talking about learning theories, and we're going to be comparing and contrasting experiential theories and learning styles. For a little bit of background, David Kolb is the creator of these theories. He was born in 1939, and he is still alive today. He has his PhD in social psychology, and he obtained this degree from Harvard University. He is an American psychologist and educational theorist. He's best known for his research on experiential learning and learning styles. He also founded an experience-based learning systems program in 1980. He created this to advance his research in experiential theories and practice. This quote that was written by him is, "Learning is the process whereby knowledge is created through the transformation of experience." This quote gives insight into his beliefs. So experiential learning is represented by a 4-stage learning cycle. It is based on Jean Piaget's beliefs that learning is created through knowledge and interaction in the environment. So concrete experience is new experiences and situations are encountered. This is through activities or tasks. Reflective observation is reflecting and reviewing new experiences. This is also a time to discuss with others and look for any discrepancies in what you've learned. In abstract conceptualization, this is understanding what you have learned from your experience. You're drawing conclusions, and that's about it. For active experimentation, you're applying what you have learned into the real world. You're creating predictions and applying conclusions to new experiences. Effective learning occurs when a person progresses through all 4 of these stages. This is an integrated process, so each of these stages feeds into the next. It is possible to enter at any stage and follow the sequence. One stage, though, alone is not effective to a student's learning. So you must complete all 4 of these stages to effectively learn. So next is some learning styles. He says the people naturally prefer different learning styles, and there are various factors that influence these preferred styles. These factors include social environment, educational experiences, or cognitive structure. So David Kolb created a 2x2 matrix about learning styles, and it is product if someone is a thinker or a feeler, or if they are a doer or a watcher. So these 4 learning styles, diverging, assimilating, and converging, accommodating, are combinations of these 2 preferred styles. Diverging is watching and brainstorming, using different perspectives and using your imagination to gather information. These people are watchers and feelers. In assimilating, students are clear explanations. They like organization, but they like to watch still. So they are thinkers and watchers. Converging, you're solving problems by doing, and experience new ideas. These people are thinkers and doers. In accommodating, people are hands-on, but they use their intuition rather than logic. So this is feeling and doing. To contrast these 2, the learning styles are a way in which students best obtain and understand material they are given. So this is the way that they learn the best and what they can do to learn to the best of their ability. So this is whether they are thinkers or feelers, or doers or watchers. Experiential learning is achieved when knowledge is obtained from different experiences. So experiential learning cycle is what is the model for that. And this is going through a process to learn. So you're going through all the stages of learning, and that's what is getting you to learn. To compare, Kolb's learning styles are based off of the experiential cycle. So if your concrete experience and reflective observation is your strong suit, you might be a diverger, and you're more of a feeler and a watcher. This is when you're in new experiences and you are coming up with your own observations about what you're learning. Reflective observation and abstract conceptualization is more of assimilating. These people are thinking and watching. Abstract conceptualization and active experimentation is converging. These people are thinking and doing. And active experimentation and concrete experience is accommodating. And this is feeling and doing. So we learn more effectively by understanding their lesser preferred learning styles, and they use the experiential learning cycle to strengthen these. So if you know that you like diverging, you're more of a feeler or watcher, you can understand that you need to work on the other 3 sections of the cycle to help you become a well-rounded thinker, learner. So both of these help to develop more learning opportunities for students, and they are made to help the student and make the classroom more student-based, and so that students can learn to the best of their ability. So here are all the references that I used. And that is all. Thank you.